Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about older woman haircut ideas. Short haircut ideas for women over 50 or 60. Short hair are comfortable, stylish and very easy to manage. They save time and still more make you look stylish, comfortable, fresh and confident. As we grow older, our hair can become thinner or more delicate. Short haircuts are a great choice because they make hair look fuller. They are light, cool and perfect for everyday life. Let's start with the soft layered short haircut. This haircut has gentle layers that add volume and movement. It makes thin hair look thicker and healthier. You don't need much styling for this look. Just wash, dry and lightly shape with your fingers. Next is the classic bob haircut. The short bob is simple and elegant. It sits nicely around the jaw or neck. This haircut frames the face beautifully. It is easy to care for, always look neat. Now let's talk about pixie haircut. The pixie cut is one of the easiest hairstyles to maintain. It is very light and dries quickly. A soft pixie with layers looks modern and feminine. You can add side bangs to soften the look. Another lovely option is the short haircut with side bangs. Side bangs gently frame the face. They help hide fine lines on the forehead. This style looks soft and youthful. It works well with both straight and wavy hair. Let's move on the short cropped haircut. This style is neat, clean and very practical. It's perfect for women who want very low maintenance hair. You don't need daily styling for this cut. It always looks tidy and polished. Now let's talk about short hairstyles for grey hair. Grey hair looks beautiful with a short, well-shaped cut. Short layers make grey hair shine and look healthy. Choosing natural grey hair reduces the need for color. It's simple, elegant and stress-free. Another great style is the textured short haircut. This haircut has soft texture and light layers. It gives volume without effort. You don't need perfect styling. A little texture, natural mess makes it look stylish. Here are some easy hair care tips for short hairs. Use gentle shampoo and conditioner. Avoid too much heat styling. Trim your hair regularly to keep its shape. Choosing a haircut that fits your lifestyle and comfort. Remember, age is just a number. Short hair can be beautiful, modern and confident. The best haircut is one that makes you feel happy and comfortable. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.